everybody again. So today again we have another wooden train video again. So we are doing the story about the Wild Train today. The Wild Train is a story about that everyone is equal. So this was the special train. He always carried the one royal carriage. And one day he went down the line and he found the new train having its route. And he whooshed past him at the right second when he felt into himself that the trains were nice. Watch this. The train went whizzing by. It was the mallard, his biggest enemy. And he tooted in train language. Choo choo! I am the best train, he said. But that made the wild guy upset. He whooshed past like he wasn't even there. And then the little train went by, surprised. And then Bluebell happily chuffed past him, saying, "What are you doing here so early in the morning, pulling the royal coach?" And that made the royal engine laugh. But shortly after, the timetable changed and his route was delayed. And then Bluebell slowly went by. And then Bluebell saw a car. And then the car whizzed by quick. And then he had to go down there. And then the royal train was happy. But then the royal train went by angrily. But then he smiled and said, "The trains aren't bad." So then he whooshed along the line, happily ever after. But oh no, nobody knew that the tracks were faulty. And then he went by unsurprised and thought nothing was there. Then there he was, the little royal train going past. And then here comes the junction. He tooted and then he went by. And that's the end of the story.